Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to assign custom names to File Explorer windows in Windows. Alright, so normally when you open a File Explorer window you can see whatever folder you go to, it'll match down there. And then if you open a new tab, that'll change accordingly. So to do this we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So once you install Windhawk, you just add mods to Windhawk which change the functionality of Windows. It could also do things such as change the way it looks and that type of thing. Alright, so you have your main home section that shows your installed mods and any featured mods. And then you could go to Explore and check out some other ones and sort them by, top rated or popular. And then you could actually search for mods. Alright, so the one we're going to use is called Name Explorer Windows. So you would just do a search for this in the search bar and click on Details and then Install. And then it'll show up in your home section here. And then you can enable it or disable it from here, or go into the details, enable it or disable it from here, or remove it, or check the settings. So this one doesn't have any settings, but a lot of the Windhawk mods do. Alright, so to use this, you're going to have to use the taskbar option. Let's go to the settings here. Under taskbar behaviors, you're going to want to have the option to combine taskbar buttons and hide labels set to never, so you can see the name down here. Alright, so now we are in our documents folder. Let's say we have this folder here and we want to give it a different name down here. We could just right click on the bar up here, name window, give it a name, and now you can see it's changed down here. Even though we're in this confidential files folder, it says new project. So one catch to this, which is kind of a bummer, is if you have multiple tabs, see this is desktop, it's still going to say new project. But if you had a different File Explorer window open, you could give this one a name. And then when you toggle back and forth between your File Explorer windows here, they'll each have their own name. And then when you close it out, it goes back to the defaults here. And of course, you could come back here to Windhawk and disable it if you don't want to use it. Alright, so one other side note about Windhawk is that it needs to be running in your system tray in order for your mods to work. So if they ever stop working, come here and check, and then you should be able to just restart Windhawk to have it load in the system tray again, and then it should be set to boot up with Windows by default. Alright, so once again, install Windhawk. So I'll put a link in the description for that. Do a search for Name Explorer Windows in the Explore section here. Details, install, and that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.